Hoffa here from Lasika Rights, and welcome to another video. This is the most exciting video, but it's a teaser because I've been working on some stuff to teach you guys how to speak Setswana, how to engage and interact one-on-one with Setswana, and I have some exciting goodies that are almost ready to be published and shared with you guys. So I just thought I'd come on here to say your girl's been busy, and I hope that the great support you guys have been showing me online continues with all these books. I'll share their books that are, you know, to just embrace Setswana and love Setswana. Not the technical, like, book text reading Setswana. That's not my flavor. There are people on the internet who do that. I'm all about conversational Setswana. Get you on the ground talking, get you on the ground making mistakes, and remember that it's more the effort rather than the perfection of the language that counts, at least to most people. So just showing that you are interested in learning about people, the Botswana people and their culture through their language and their music, I think it's an amazing thing. I am a proud Botswana girl from Botswana. I'm married to a Muchudi guy. I grew up in Gab, so like I might be living in Australia as I am now, but truly believe our kids need to know their language and be proud of it. So all the things that I've been working on are about to go live, and I will come back and share with you guys when they are here. Obviously, you can see the excitement on my face, and I hope you guys can rock with me and support the channel as we make Botswana, as we share Setswana and we love ourselves through loving our culture and our language. Yeah, stay tuned till next time. Bye.